Hello to all my viewers, this is Syed Abbas. Welcome to my channel BIDN Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create DAX measures. This is not a DAX tutorial, so I'll not go in depth to explain DAX formulas. Many of them are very simple and straightforward, but few of them need some advanced DAX skill to understand the formula. Even though you can follow the steps and create measures for this project. Click on Enter Data under Home tab and rename it with Key Measures. Click Load. Now, Key Measure table is created. Click on Key Measures under Field pane and then select Column 1. Click Home. Click New Measure. Our goal is to create these measures. Let's start with our first measure, total cases. This measure will show the total number of COVID-19 cases in COVID-19 data table. You may just stop the video and write the measure. Delete column 1 from Key Measure table. Click Show Height pane. Now you can see the icon of Key Measure table has been changed. Drag the measures onto the canvas. Oops, there is an error. See the error details. This error occurs because the data type of value column is a string instead of number. Click on Transform Data. Select COVID-19 data table. Select Value column and change data type as whole number. Close and apply. Now you can see error has been cleared. Now I will show you why I write this DAX formula to calculate total cases. Drag the sum value field on canvas. Here you can see the count is 117 million, which is not correct. This has happened because value column contains cumulative value of affected cases against the respective states and country. Let's start to create other measures used in dashboard. Click New Measure. Rename measure name as Confirmed Cases and write DAX formula for confirmed case measure. Calculate total cases where status is equal to confirm. Next, click on New Measure again. Rename measure's name as deaths and write DAX formula for DAX measure. Next, create measure for recovered cases. Follow the video and create rest other measures used in this project. You may pause the video and write down the DAX formula. Now, I'm going to create a measure to identify top 10 confirmed cases by country. To achieve this, we have to create rank measures, and then by using this rank measure, we will filter top 10 confirmed cases. If you are beginner, then pause the video and try to understand the logic, how I use this rank measure to filter confirmed cases. Drag top 10 confirmed cases measure onto the canvas. Select Table in Visualization section. Drag country name from the location table and drop into the values data field. Sort confirmed cases in ascending order. Do similar exercise to identify the top 10 deaths by country. Create measure to identify last updated date. Here you can see last updated measure created under COVID-19 data table. Let's move this under key measure table. Select last updated measure under measures tool. Now create measures to identify new deaths. Simply copy and paste the new cases measure and replace confirmed cases measure with deaths. Create measure for fatality rate. Now all measures has been created. Let's move on part 3 to see how to visualize the data by using these measures.
Alright, that's going to wrap up today. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, or if you hate it, give me a big ol' thumbs down. If you want more videos, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Cool. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening me. Bye.